Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, you've been thinking about subscribing and don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Hope I've been getting back to you on the comments and everything. Thank you for leaving all the good comments, how you appreciate Mr. Belle showing how to cook in the Power XL. Thank you for that. Hope I've been getting back to you as the best I can to my knowledge. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. You know, one of the holidays already passed up and everything. A lot of people must have had turkey and everything. And sometimes we buy turkey and we wonder what we're gonna do with it the next day. There's a lot of things you can do with that turkey and everything. Today, I'll be making some turkey fried rice. I'm gonna take it on a different level today. So it's a lot of things you can do with turkey. Sometimes we eat it one day and we put it in the refrigerator and then we throw it out, we put it in the trash. And I'm just gonna say this before I start and everything. You know, I raised 2 daughters by myself, and we didn't hardly buy turkeys because we know we was gonna waste it. So one year we bought a turkey and we cooked it in the kitchen and we ate it. The next day we had turkey. So the third day we had turkey and I kind of made a little gravy and everything. And so I got them to school and everything. And they came home from school. Dad, I hope we're not having turkey today. And they seen the bowl sitting on the counter with some bread and everything. I had made some sandwiches and they looked and they made a sandwich. They thought it was tuna, put it on the bread and everything. Boy, this is good. So I told them, I said, you're eating turkey salad. I mashed it up like tuna and everything, put the eggs in it just like you do tuna and everything. This is another video that I'm not showing, but this is an extra video for some of you that like tuna sandwiches. You can make turkey sandwiches. I used the light part of the meat and everything. And boy, they say, no way, Dad. They enjoy that turkey sandwich though. But anyway, getting back to my video, I just had to throw that in there and let you know how many different things you can do with turkey so you don't be throwing turkey away. So today I will be doing it in the Power XL, or you can do it on the stove. So today, you know, I can't be using this top for all my first time viewers. I'm gonna just take this top off, 1, 2, and lift it up. It's easy to take off. I'm gonna set it to the side. So today my ingredients is, today I've chopped up some of this nice good turkey and everything. As you see, I chop it up nice and good and everything. Looking nice and good. And I'm gonna saute this a little bit more. I'm eyeball a little butter. You can use butter, olive oil, whatever you wanna use. I'm gonna use 2 eggs, eyeball a little soy sauce. I use a small onion, 1 carrot, 1 stick of celery, 3 things of onion, green onion, and I'm using a teaspoon of Creole season, teaspoon of black pepper, teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of sage. I'm just throwing that sage in there to give it that little extra thing, taste to it and everything. Like I say, you can use whatever you want to use in it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's gonna be nice. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step, so we'll be doing this step by step today. What I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna plug this Power XL in real easy right here. And I'm gonna put this on saute. Let's start putting this on saute. It's on saute. I'm gonna set this temperature set for 350. And I'm gonna set it for 50 minutes. 50 minutes, I'm gonna press start. And you know, whatever you wanna put in when you're sauteing or you're doing different things, you don't have to wait till it say add food. You can put your butter in or your oil in it right as it's on. So that way when it's getting hot, your butter or your grease, it'll be melty. So I'm gonna let that melt up a little bit before I start stirring up all this good stuff and everything. Mr. Bell, be right back. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take a little bit of this butter out because I'm just gonna mix up my eggs and everything and put it right here. I'll be using that, putting that back in like that. So I'm just gonna crack my eggs and put it in here just like that in this bowl and everything. And just crack it just like that. And I'm gonna beat these eggs up. As you see, I'm gonna beat them up, get them nice and good. Beat them up real nice and good. Beat it up nice and good, and seem like my butter is getting hot. Yeah, my butter is melted, the one that I left in. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this egg in it and just let that cook. Just like that. Set this to the side. Mr. Bell gonna pull that camera up so you get an idea how's everything looking. You're not gonna see my face, but you will hear me talking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna stir this up and break it up. As you see, it's chopped. It's cooking real good and everything. So I'm just gonna chop these eggs up real good, get it nice and fine, just like that. That's looking good. Chop them up. Just like that. These eggs are cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these eggs out and put them in a bowl. And put the rest of the stuff in. That's nice and good. As you see, it's chopped up nice and good. You don't want to leave it big or nothing. I'm going to take that out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the rest of my butter in here. And we're gonna get started. Let that melt real good. Like I say, it's real easy. I'm gonna let that melt. And I'll be right back. Okay, so all that is did, so the butter's melted, so I'm gonna put my onions in there. And just stir that up, let just saute them just a little. And you know, while this is gonna be cooking for all my first time viewers, wash the dishes as you cook. Don't leave it for your spouse, don't leave it for your kids, don't leave it for your roommate, don't leave it for your friends. So everyone can enjoy the food. They might say they're not hungry because they're wondering who's gonna do the dishes. If you wash the dishes as you cook, everyone will be happy. Enjoy the food. And I'm gonna put these carrots in. Let that get nice, good and saute, as you see. Coming out good and everything. And I'm gonna throw these celery in. Let all that saute nice and good. And now I'm gonna put my green onions. This right here is gonna be delicious. Get that nice, good and soft and everything. I'm gonna put my turkey in. See how nice and chopped up? I chopped that up nice and good. Just break it in like that. You can have this to, you might want a knick-knack snack or something, or you might be rushing to work. You might want to just put it in the bowl and take it to work with you, eat it for lunch or wherever you're going. It's quick quick little dish. Stir up all that so it get nice and good. Just like that. So I'm going to put my eggs back in there. As you see, I chop them up nice and good. Put it in like that. Chop it up a little bit more. Like I say, you can put whatever you want in it. Chop it up. Smelling good. Just like that. Chop it up. So I'm going to put my rice in. You want to use leftover rice. It's better than to make the fresh rice. If you have the leftover rice, it's nice and good to use and everything. And this is leftover rice. I'm going to just put that in there like that. And I'm going to just chop up everything just like this. Just mix it up to the mix part now. I'm going to mix it up nice and good. You're going to taste the turkey everywhere. Every time you get a spoonful, you'll be tasting the turkey and the vegetables what's in here. Just like that. So I'm going to just start putting my seasoning in here. Get it nice and good. Put that seasoning in. Get it nice and good. That in there. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to stir all this up. And it's nothing like smelling that good sage. Smells good. Just stir that up just like that. I'm going to pull this eyeball, like I said, eyeball the sauce in it. Put it in. Oh yeah. Just mix it up just like that. Do it just like that. This right here is done. I'm gonna mix it up a couple more times, but this right here is your turkey fried rice. All right. So this is done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna move some of these bowls out the way. So this is done. This is your turkey fried rice. So what I'm gonna do, cut it off right here. So it's been like, we're gonna look at it, I have 32 minutes left. So actually I only used like 18 minutes. So I'm gonna cut it off and I'm gonna unplug it, and we're gonna take this out and see how this tastes and everything. Like I say, it's a real easy and a fast dish. So I'm going to take this out. I'm going to pick it up and put it right over here. It's hot. Stir it up as you see the steam is coming off it. And I'm going to put it right here. I'm gonna sit it down for a minute. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit out of here and see what this tastes like. Put it right here. It's hot. I don't want to burn myself, but I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna see how it tastes. This right here is delicious. You should try it. It's good to take to work with you for lunch or have it at lunch at home. It's another dish to cook when you have a lot of food and you wonder what you're gonna do with it. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.